Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Podia, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Podia website. Once the website loads, look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to proceed to the registration page. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a strong password for your new account. Make sure to follow the password requirements listed on the page. Once you have filled in both fields, click the Continue button. Next, you'll be asked to choose a plan that suits your needs. Review the options available and select the plan you prefer. After selecting your plan, you might need to enter your payment information. Fill out the necessary payment details as prompted. Following that, click the Start Free Trial or Continue button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Check your email and click the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the Podia website and log in with your credentials. Now you're on your Podia dashboard, ready to set up your content. From here, you can start creating courses, memberships, or digital downloads. Explore the various features and tools available to customize your offerings. Congratulations! You are now registered with Podia and can begin your journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.